to do projects in your home?
Well, we're going to show you how to do the world's easiest accent wall.
We're doing an entryway accent wall here just because we removed the closet that was here, and that is now our walk-in pantry. So we want to add an accent wall here that has some hooks. It's going to be literally so easy and so inexpensive, so we're going to do it.
38, 3/4, 38, because it's all built up. Right here you can see the wall curving down there and curving this way.
Wait, do it again.
It's got full with bridges up.
Here. So as you can see here, the whole entire wall, all the way to this point, is 38 3/4. But then you come down to here, it is 38 like 1/8.
Problem with old houses.
Yes, and it's all built out right here. You can see the wall.
Yeah, you can see it. It's curved. Literally, it curves down. You can see it from this angle.
That's gonna be so frustrating. All right, let me get this nailed in.
I'll nail it in.
Kelsey, how did it feel to use a nail gun for the first time?
For the first, get out of here. I'm gonna freaking shoot it at you, Nolan. I'm a pro with the nail guns.
And see what this is. I want to see what this is right here. They won't know exactly what to comment to. Oh my God, that's exactly 56. Wow. That was some good marking.
Okay, go ahead. Good job. You're
good at marking.
You're so good.
So we're putting the shiplap up to this point and setting that on top.
Yes.
Okay, just making sure, just making sure. Okay? Don't kill me, okay?
I'm a pro with the nail gun. Just shut up, please. God.
Angry elf. 56. We're gonna cut.
It didn't change. You literally just said it's exactly 56, and then you had to measure it
I
again.
didn't remember if it was 65 or 56, so.
Dyslexic.
Let me get this going, guys. I'm gonna put a mark at 56, then we're gonna mark across, and then we're gonna cut it.
Okay.
We're doing this whole project in 5 minutes, so. Yeah.
5 minute craft. Or what is that called?
Okay. Can you go get the blue level after, or I guess you can get it now.
Yeah, we don't want to see any butt crack.
Did I say it was 65?
56.
She's so easy. It's so, just don't move on me. All right, there's our line.
Okay.
And then next, that's gonna be that side. Let me go get the saw.
Oh, that's so loud.
Now, here comes the hard part.
What? Oh,
Trying to get it to fit into that wall
because it's...
because it's so curved. Here, let me put this like this. Get this out of the way. All right, let's see if I did it on my first cut. See if I can get this baby to fit with this uneven wall.
You're not that good.
Oh, whoa. Whoa, honey. Wait till you see, honey. Honey. Boom! We just tack that on with some nails, and we're good. I'm starting to see more and more why you married me, Kelsey.
I'm not putting that part in there. Like there's not going to be any sound in it. What?
What?
Nothing.
I am setting this board up here for Kelsey so she can shoot it in.
I don't need you to set it up there for me.
Well, I'm gonna talk to you through it though. So what you're gonna do is press it as hard as you can against this side because it's so uneven on this, you can't go any further. So before you shoot it, just give it a little pull, right? Okay?
Okay. It looks like crap now because I haven't wiped it yet, so just ignore. that? What do you think of that? Cool, right? Right? So lame. Oh, she just made eye contact with me.
Now you gotta answer the door.
No, absolutely.
You gotta open the door.
Kelsey, she's a nice lady. Ow! You just hit me? Did you get that on camera?
It's gotta be abuse. That's gotta be abuse.
Oh, there's someone in the car with her. Is there? No, there's not. Oh, wait, there she is.
She hit me. Let's go back to the thing that Kelsey punched me in the back.
I am painting what we just did. The color is Bears 2024 color of the year, cracked pepper. Does it look like cracked pepper to you?
So cracked.
Kind of.
So cracked.
So peppery.
Very peppery.
Crack like Ryan's butt crack.
Wow. Leave my butt out of this.
Alright, Ryan, what are you up to?
I am getting our food ready like a good husband I am.
Yeah.
You
Will
know
you
what?
feed it to me while I paint?
Negative, Ghost Rider. I am not feeding you. I hear it from here. I can hear like the music from the truck. Alright guys, that singing you hear, that is Kelsey in the vehicle right now charging her phone. But she doesn't know we can hear her. So she's singing her with her beautiful voice to a day. Right now. She has no idea we can hear her, but that is awesome. Alright, so the second coat is done. We're gonna let this dry, have a fan blow on it, go a little quicker, and then we will add the hooks. And Kelsey will do her magic with decorating, and voila, all done. All right, so what I'm doing here is marking out where our hooks will go. And to do that, we have 3 hooks. So 1, 2, 3. You mark out how many spaces they're gonna be. 1, 2, 3, 4. Measure the space you want, which is 38 3/4. Divide that by 4, and that's gonna give you your exact placements for your hook, evenly spaced out. 7/8, 7/8. I say it every time. 7/8. We take the lime and the coconut, we shake it all up. It looks straight and on.
What?
That looks straight.
Do you look straight? Like, do you look gay?
No. I said, does it look straight?
Oh, I thought you said, do I look straight?
No.
I was like, bro, what?
Does that look straight?
Why you don't put it on crooked? I think it's straight.
Oh, that's something my mom would say. I'm like, Mom, my leg hurts. Don't worry, honey. When the pain stops, it won't hurt. No, when the pain stops, it won't hurt anymore. Oh, thanks, Mom. There we go. So now I shall pre-drill all of this at. It is a pretty simple one, I'll tell you that right now. I mean, I make it simple.
Yeah.
Usually it would take, Kelsey, it would take like 2 days to do this, but so if you were to just start off doing this, I would say with the right tools, if you have everything you need, it could take a newer person maybe a few 4 hours to do or so with the paint drying and everything. But when you're experienced like me, I'm just kidding, I'm not even that experienced, to be honest. I just go with the flow. It won't take long at all for anybody. I gotta be careful what I say. I don't want to hurt feelings.
I was gonna say it'd take like 2 weeks for an
I was gonna say something like crazy. Something
I forgot I may take about 15
maybe
minutes.
a couple days. Yep. So if you want to test it, you just put all your weight on it. And I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. Just like that.
We're done.
15 minutes
So
of a
lame.
project. That was so easy.
But honestly, this is like the world's easiest accent wall. It's literally a shiplap panel and 2 1x4s and whatever
And
paint you
paint.
want.
Exactly.
So literally anybody can do it. Beginner, intermediate, advanced DIY. This is for you.
What she said.